Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to draw a hidden line in AutoCAD. Hidden lines are one of the most important conventions in technical drafting because they represent edges or objects that exist physically but are not directly visible from the current viewing angle. Instead of showing every object as a solid visible line, engineering and architectural drawings use hidden lines to communicate internal or obstructed features clearly and professionally. A hidden line is a line style used to represent edges or objects that cannot be directly seen in the current view. How hidden lines usually look. Hidden lines are commonly displayed as dashed lines or broken segments instead of continuous solid lines. Why hidden lines matter? They help communicate internal structures, obstructed edges, features behind visible surfaces, and mechanical or architectural details. Start by opening AutoCAD. Then open your drawing workspace. On the drawing interface, type LT, then press Enter. LT stands for linetype. The linetype manager controls available line styles, loaded line types, dashed patterns, hidden line styles, center lines, and other drafting patterns. Inside the linetype manager, select By Layer, then click Load. By layer means the object inherits its line type from the assigned layer settings. Even though you selected by layer first, you're about to load additional line types into the drawing. After clicking Load, scroll downward until you find Hidden, then select it. This line type creates dashed or broken line patterns used for hidden geometry. Click OK to load the hidden line type into the drawing. The hidden line type now becomes available in the line type selection list. Now choose Hidden from the line type options, then click OK again. This activates the hidden line style so it can be assigned to objects. Now go to the Properties section near the top interface. Inside Properties, locate the By Layer line type, then open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down, choose Hidden. Now any new lines you draw will automatically use the hidden dashed line type. Start drawing normally. The lines now appear as dashed hidden lines instead of continuous solid lines. Important clarification. If the dashed pattern looks too small or too large, the issue is usually related to line type scale, not the hidden line type itself. What you just did, you opened the line type manager, loaded the hidden line type, assigned the hidden line style, and configured AutoCAD to draw dashed hidden geometry. You changed how AutoCAD visually represents object visibility in technical drafting. Hidden lines help professionals understand internal structures, overlapping components, invisible boundaries, and mechanical relationships. Important technical concept. AutoCAD separates geometry from visual representation. Why this matters. The object itself stays the same, but its line type changes how it visually communicates information. To summarize, drawing a hidden line in AutoCAD begins by opening AutoCAD and typing LT to open the line type manager. After selecting by layer and clicking Load, scrolling through the available line types allows you to locate and load the hidden line type. Once loaded, selecting Hidden from the line type options and confirming with OK makes it available for use. Then, by going to the Properties section and selecting Hidden from the line type dropdown, any new lines drawn afterward will appear as hidden dashed lines instead of continuous solid lines. And that's how to draw a hidden line in AutoCAD. The important thing to understand is that hidden lines are not just visual decoration. They're part of the universal drafting language engineers and designers use to communicate invisible geometry clearly. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.